Welcome to Nash Community College's Game Design program, where creativity meets technology. This degree equips students for an exciting IT career in the video game industry. Our comprehensive program covers animation, web development, and design. Students will dive into industry standard software used in 3D game design within a Windows environment. Key courses include 3D animation, character development, web development tools, and more. Graduates of the program can embark on fulfilling careers in various industries, such as entertainment, government agencies, healthcare, education, telecommunications, and private industry. For more information, visit nashcc.edu or call 252-443-4011.